Folks, today I'll be teaching you how to construct a perpendicular at the end of a given line. Now, the first step in this process is to draw the given line AB. Let's draw the given line AB. Given line AB. So this is our given line. So I want to center it in the paper. So this is AB. Now the next step is to extend a construction line outwards from A. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to extend the construction line. So you remember in some episodes ago I told you that construction lines are thin lines. So basically this construction line is going to be a thin line. So you can see it's an extension, but it is thin outward from A. Now the third step is with center A and any convenient radius, draw the semicircle CD. So in this case we are going to open our compass to any convenient radius, and then we'll put it at the center A, and then we'll draw a semicircle at the bottom. So draw a semicircle like this. So basically this is a semicircle. Now this is semicircle. And now let's call this C, and let's call this D. The next step, the fourth step, is with center C and D and any convenient radius, draw arcs to intersect at E. So we are going to open our compass to any convenient radius, put it at center C, cut an arc, put it at center D, cut an arc. So you should know that center C and D, they are the points where that semicircle cuts the line AB. So you can see C and D. Now the last step is a line drawn from A through the intersection of the arcs is the perpendicular. So if you draw a line from A through the intersection, and this intersection, let's call it E. So a line drawn from A through E is the perpendicular. Let's draw a line from A through E. So this is the perpendicular to this line through a point.